Uh-huh. 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 Let's go. Yeah.
Getting ready to start on this dried flower resin art. Gotta get it done. I've had these flowers for a minute and I think I'm gonna use my rectangular mold though. But let's get started. Hey y'all, this is Tracy, Passionately Intrigued Arts. I'm finishing up one of these resin blocks where I put dried flowers in here. You have to do it in layers. These are flowers that my son gave me. They dried them out. He gave them to his wife for their anniversary. So they weren't dried out in a silica. They were just dried out naturally. And so I'm doing it in layers because I have to get the resin in between and up underneath all these layers of petals. And I imagine I'm going to have bubbles, but I'm going to pour some more resin on top and see how I can work it into these layers of petals. So I'm going to be turning this every which way because I want to get into the petals, not that it will stay in there. And without making a mess, I don't want to spill this. And I'm going to do it slowly, I guess. So they're carnations, baby breath, and they were red roses. They're still pretty. They still turned out pretty good. They were rather dry and broke up quite a bit. I lost quite a few petals. But I'm going to do my best to preserve these flowers for my daughter-in-law and my son from their anniversary. And this just might not be enough to coat the entire surface of these flowers. But I'll do this layer and let it dry completely. And then I'll probably go at it tomorrow and finish it off. We'll see how high this layer gets, this level of resin here gets. This is the second level that I have poured, second layer that I have poured. Yeah, I'm not going to tip it too much more because, well, if I do, I just got to be very careful because I don't want it to pour out. Let me see. Am I on the camera good? Back it up. Nope. Go forward. This here was 600 milligrams. I forgot what the first layer was. But it's not enough to come up to the top of the mold. So there will be another layer in the next day or two to finish this off. And you know me, I'm going to get every drop out of here. If you don't know me, you should know me. You will get to know me. Waste not, want not. This stuff is expensive. This is Dr. Crafty. And I just opened up, I ordered a while ago so I wouldn't run out, 2 gallons. But in the meantime, my family, brother's sister-in-law's sister did a gift exchange this past Christmas where, I don't know what type of program it is, but our names were entered and it selected a name for us. So we just buy one gift, $50 gift for one family member instead of buying for everybody. And one of the items that I put down that I wanted was Dr. Crafty epoxy resin. So there was a 64 ounce kit, 2-part kit that was like $42. So that's what my brother chose for me. I opened that joker up today because, you know, all along I've been using my other resin, the rest of my resin, finishing that up before I open my gift up. There's no sense in opening it when I had, had resin already open. And the part A, the resin, was completely solid as a rock, hard as a rock. So I've reached out. You know, Amazon's not going to honor it because that was back in December that the resin was ordered. So I reached out to Dr. Crafty website, and they have responded. They want the order number, and I told them I'd send a picture whatever they needed. So I think they're going to make it right. We're going to see. Okay, that's all of the resin. Let me lift it up. So I got about a ½ inch to go. I'm going to watch this for a little while because bubbles come up, because it's going in between all these layers of petals, so air gets trapped. So I'm going to have to babysit this for at least 15 minutes or so and catch the bubbles that come up and bust them with this torch. But that is all for you all for right now. I won't have you sit on here with me and babysit. But I just want to show you what I was doing. Trying to catch up on some orders. One at a time. I think next I'll go down and work on that motorcycle helmet with part 2. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I would appreciate it. Check out some of my videos. There's a vast array for you to check out. See if you like the content. Leave me a comment. Peace and love, and we'll see you soon. Later. Before this layer firmed completely, I added crystal gemstones. When the final layer is cured, I'll come back and unmold in another video. Thank you so much.